An Italian innovation. The first to use aircraft in combat. The first to put tanks in the desert. History will mark that, gentlemen. What we needed was time. Now we have achieved that time. We can talk peace with eloquence.
2, the Italian government will pay monthly salaries to these men.
Go on. Go on.
The government reserves the right to punish any persons who committed a crime before this agreement. Omar Mukhtar will have no right to protect such persons. 4.
These terms mean dishonor.
Absolute surrender. Not even subjects for discussion.
The Italian government undertakes to pay Omar Mukhtar a pension of 50,000 lire a month and to provide him with a comfortable house.
Do I deserve so much? Have I been so successful for someone to offer me 50,000 lira a month? You know, by offering me bribes, you are insulting me.
Your Excellency, I made that proposal. Believe me, it was not an attempt to bribe you, only to make your retirement comfortable.
How can I be comfortable when my people are in concentration camps? And where is this general who bombs and burns and hangs? Why has he never come here?
When terms are agreed between us, General Graziani will be happy to see you.
I do not want to see him. I want to see the last of him. And why is he landing troops? Where is he going? To the last oasis? 6,000 drums of water. He is going to Gufra. You never wanted peace. All you wanted was time. We will be with Graziani.
If you will not come to terms, I promise you immediate and terrible war.
Oh, I know the power of your government, the power you threaten us with. We've stood against you for 20 years. And with the help of God, we will stay with you till your end.
I knew this conclusion.
Poor fools. They think they can ride against a modern army.